island is really out of danger. We'll be okay, bud. This nightmare looks like it's finally over.
Are you sure about that, Hiccup?
Viggo. Well, let me guess. You want the dragon eye in exchange for Astrid.
Oh, it sounds so much colder when you say it like that. But yes. While I do appreciate your assistance in putting my brother back in his rightful place, I must insist that you return it to where it belongs, with me.
Hiccup, don't even think about it.
Come now. Are you really going to sacrifice your future? All the wonderful years you have ahead of you for that?
Wow, Viggo. Well, I guess when you put it that way... No, I'm not!
No!
Viggo, didn't have to end this way.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
It's finally over. It is over, right?
Yeah, of course. Definitely.
I should have listened to you. You are our leader. Our relationship can't get in the way of that. It won't happen again.
Just promise me you won't stop telling me what you're thinking. Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?
Deal.